Alright, so if you guys are facing this error called Excel cannot insert new cells, here's the solution for that. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to press Ctrl plus E and the end into your keyboard. So just simply press on that, and as you can see, we have reached to our bottom line. So underneath that, you can select some of the rows like that, and right click on your mouse and simply go with delete. And also same for the column as well. You need to select the columns that you haven't used yet. So some of the columns you need to select that. So after selecting all of those, you can simply right click on your mouse and simply go with delete. Now after that, you can simply select any of the rows and simply right click on your mouse and tap on insert, and as you can see, the insert button is working. As well as for the rows, if you select the rows and simply go with the insert, as you can see, the insert is working. So that's how you can simply fix this issue. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.